Meaning of faceless.
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 Faceless. Faceless describes someone or something that cannot be identified or has no visible distinct features. It is often used to describe people who are anonymous or unrecognizable, as their faces are hidden or unknown. For example, a faceless corporation might be a large company that is impersonal and difficult to relate to. A faceless crowd might refer to a group of people who are indistinguishable from one another. Additionally, the term can be used metaphorically to describe something that lacks character or personality, as if it has no defining traits or identity.